Start with DeWalt for a capable electric washer that stores neatly at home. Choose the DWPW2600 for most properties. Switch for tighter storage, a lower price, easier handling, or frequent cleanup. One washer won't suit every chore. Choose for cleaning pace, storage, durability, and upkeep. For most homes, I'd buy the DeWalt DWPW2600 2600 PSI electric Jobsite pressure washer. It's for homeowners who want capable electric cleanup and a washer that packs into a tidy shelf-friendly unit. That contained storage is its real advantage. Pull it out for property chores, then put it away without a loose parts pile. But you're paying extra for that convenience. Its universal motor isn't the quieter, longer-wearing induction type for constant work, and the hose can stay tightly curled in cooler weather. Skip it if you wash weekly or daily, or storage neatness isn't worth the premium. Choose the DeWalt DWPW2100 for occasional outdoor cleanup when garage space is limited. Its compact, organized design stores neatly and costs less upfront. It's a practical fit for patio furniture, cars, and smaller chores. The 2100 PSI output requires closer work and more passes than the DWPW2600. You'll spend longer cleaning larger surfaces. Skip it when driveways, bigger vehicles, or stubborn grime need the fastest coverage. For value-focused homeowners, the Westinghouse EPX 3500 electric pressure washer is the lower-cost route to solid routine cleaning. Its lightweight, four-wheel base gives it a planted feel, and the nozzle set covers ordinary car, patio furniture, and outdoor cleanup. You're not paying for polished storage, though. The hose and wand don't nest as cleanly as the DeWalt designs, while the fixed detergent reservoir has to be emptied by tilting the unit. Its bulky plug-in GFCI can also be awkward at protected or crowded exterior outlets. Skip it if clean stacking or simple detergent handling matters most. If bending less matters more than having the most stable budget washer, consider the Sunjoe SPX 3000 electric pressure washer. The tall handle is easier to grab, and its dual detergent tanks suit jobs where you may swap between cleaning solutions. It gives you an upright working position without a big upfront spend. The compromise is a tall, narrow body that can tip more easily. Its 20F OOT hose limits movement around larger projects, and there's no rotary turbo nozzle. The low hose connection and plug-in GFCI add more fuss. Skip it if reach, stability, or broad scrubbing versatility lead your list. For regular wash days, the Ryobi RY142500 2500 PSI brushless electric pressure washer is the workhorse choice. Its induction motor, solid stance, better hose, and larger wheels fit owners who use a washer often and want a quieter, longer-lasting machine. It doesn't try to win on compactness. At more than 38 pounds, it needs serious storage room, and its built-in detergent tank is clumsy to fill or empty. You also get only 3 nozzles, with no onboard place for every included tip. Skip it if your washer mostly sits stored or needs to stay light. Quick split. Compact all-around home setup goes to DeWalt DWPW2600. Smaller occasional chores point to DWPW2100. Lower cost means Westinghouse EPX 3500. Easier upright handling means Sunjoe SPX 3000. Frequent use points to Ryobi RY142500. Before buying, measure where it will live and plan where the hose will sit. Decide whether occasional chores justify compactness or regular work warrants a larger motor. If you use detergent, consider how easily the tank fills and drains. For driveway coverage, prioritize output and reach over a smaller footprint. If you're unsure, start with DeWalt for most home cleaning and tidy storage. Switch for smaller occasional chores or tighter budgets. Choose easier reach and dual solutions when those matter. Add durability and quieter operation for frequent cleanup. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.